Electric circuits, question 3. The diagram shows two possible circuits for the heated rear window of a car. Both are connected to a 12-volt supply. Each element in circuit A, that's this one here, has a resistance of 30 ohms. The elements are the lines across here. Each element in circuit B, down here, has a resistance of 0.8 ohms. Part A. Calculate the current from the battery for each circuit. Well, first for circuit A. Well, for a parallel circuit, 1 over the total resistance is equal to 1 over resistor 1 plus 1 over resistor 2 and so on. So in this case, 1 over the total resistance is 1 over 30 ohms for this element, 1 over 30 ohms for this element, and so on. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. So 1 over resistor T is equal to 6 over 30. So the total resistance is equal to 30 over 6. We must remember to invert at the end, giving a total resistance of circuit A of 5 ohms. So now using Ohm's law, I is equal to V over R, which is 12 volts, given in the question up here, over the resistance we've just found of 5 ohms, gives a current from the battery in circuit A of 2.4 amps. Circuit B is a series circuit, and so the total resistance is just the sum of the individual resistors, which in this case is 6 lots of 0.8 ohms, giving a total resistance of 4.8 ohms. Again, using Ohm's law, I equals V over R, 12 volts over 4.8 ohms gives a current in circuit B of 2.5 amps. Part B. The car is converted to use a 24-volt battery. What effect will this have on the power transferred in circuit A? Well, power is equal to V squared over R from the datasheet, and in this case the power in the second circumstance with the 24-volt battery will be equal to 2V, as the voltage has doubled, squared over R, which, expanding out, gives 4V squared over R. This term then is 4 times the value of this term, so we have 4 times the power. So we can say that if we double the potential difference and the resistance stays the same, the power will quadruple. Part C. Calculate the current from the battery in each circuit if one element is broken. Well, first for circuit A. In this case, 1 over the total resistance will be 1 over 30 for each of the elements, but now we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, giving 1 over RT as 5 over 30, so the total resistance is 30 over 5, or 6 ohms. From Ohm's law, I equals V over R, we still have our 12 volts, now with 6 ohms, we have a reduced current of 2.0 amps. Circuit B is a series circuit, and with a series circuit, any break anywhere in the circuit means it will carry 0 current.